your open house lineup for the weekend of November 20th and 21st. Hi, I'm Greer Uptegraft. I'm a local realtor with Pearson Smith Realty. And this weekend, I'm featuring 3 homes in Arlington. All of these homes have open houses actually on Sunday, so you can set up a tour if you want to go see all 3. I've picked 3 homes that have recently come on the market at 3 different price points. So we will see what you can get in Arlington at 3 different prices. Let's get started at the top with a luxury listing. This is a home at 5027 35th Street North, and it's listed at $1.895 million. This is a 7-bedroom, 5.5 bath colonial built in 2008. And it has all the features and updates you would ever desire, including a beautiful, well-designed kitchen. It has 2 sinks, 2 dishwashers, beautiful countertops, and plenty of space. What I like most about this home, though, are the porches. It features a very nice wraparound front porch and then a double-level porch in the back. So there's a porch off of the main level and then a porch off of the primary bedroom. So that's a really nice feature to have. This house is open on Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. So definitely go check it out if you're looking for a home that's well over 5,000 square feet, 7-bedroom, 5.5 bath. Again, that's 5027 35th Street North. Now, the next home we're gonna look at is priced a little bit lower, and it is 1825 South George Mason Drive in Arlington. It's actually priced quite a bit lower. It's $679,000. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a little over 1,350 square feet. It was built in 1946, but they have made some very thoughtful updates since then. It's in the Columbia Forest neighborhood. This is a brick exterior home. And I, again, love the front porch. It's a really cute place. You can envision yourself sitting out there in the spring and summer. They did a kitchen remodel and an upstairs bathroom remodel in 2021. Those are just 2 of the recent updates they've done in the past several years. It has a really nice lower level rec room. It's seated on 0.12 acres with a nice backyard. So if you have a pet, this could be a great property for him or her. This house is open on Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. And again, it's 1825 South George Mason Drive, and this home is priced at $679,000. And then last, we're going to feature a house that's under $600,000. So if you were just looking to get into the market, this could be a great option. And it's 2908 South Buchanan Street in Arlington, priced at $579,900. This is a townhome in the Fairlington Village community, and it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with very spacious bedrooms. Built in 1944, this 3-level home also has a great family room in the basement and a full bathroom down there as well. It also has a small backyard area that's fully fenced in. So again, for people with pets, that's a great option. There are hardwoods throughout, natural light, and it's just a great home if you want to get started in the real estate market with the townhome. I will note that it does have a condo fee. It's $412 a month. I always like to point that out to buyers if there is a monthly condo or association fee. It's important to keep in mind. This house is open on Sunday from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. And again, it's 2908 South Buchanan Street in Arlington, priced at $579,900. These are your 3 open houses of the weekend. I hope you are able to get out and check out some open houses. It's a great way to start looking if you're new to to home searching, or even if you've been home searching for a while now and you just want to get into some homes on your own time. Be sure to check these 3 homes out. I am not the listing agent for any of these properties, so if you are unable to get to the open houses, I am able to show them these homes to you, set up a private tour. Don't hesitate to reach out. Greer is here. It would be my pleasure to show you some properties or assist with any real estate needs. Hope you have a great day and take care.